Y compras dos.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm not at home. So we're at Ikea right now. Why? Because I want to like renovate and make my editing space cuter. Just because it looks very sad and boring right now. That was exactly my reaction. So it looks very sad. So we're gonna change this. Come on. That's my sister! Like my shoes. That's New Zealand style. Got the best company. I don't like these things. So I'm trying to think of a solution. And the solution might be to just like buy the board. And then buy other ones at like another store. Estas me gustan más. Bro. Bueno, pero una sola. Ah, 1,50. 5. ¿Cómo que 5? 5 euros. La maceta es 1,50. Yo me voy a morir aquí, I don't have 5 euros. Bueno, venga, vamos. Okay. Zack. Let's go.
Ah, está pegado.
Está súper chulo, Esto va a ser mi futuro bathroom. So I need to look for a desk lamp, but we don't want something like this. Because it's more like as a backlight, as like decoration. So I don't actually need it to move around. This one? We gotta check that it's not broken. Okay, let's go. 30. I need 30 by 40. Ah! Qué boba que soy. Just swapped this out for this one. Because this one is way like thinner. This is gonna look better. Algo así es cute. Sí. Algo así. We need to find the right one. Okay. Wir müssen eine schöne finden. Ah, bueno, sí. Sí, sí. Welches Regal?
A few moments later.
Mira, aquí se llama. Tienes que ver tranquila. Aquí bin ganz so ruhig. Vale, este es negro. Toma. Blanco. Mira. Let me calculate. 12. It's gonna be like between 50 and 60 euros. Aquí.
Kalkulationsfehler.
Das Ding ist, dass diese beiden nicht symmetrisch sind. Wir haben gedacht, dass das andere umgekehrt ist. Verstehst du?
Nö.
Nee, ne?
Das ist spiegelverkehrt.
Das ist spiegelverkehrt.
Das war die ganze Gar nicht ein.
Ja, weil so habe ich es jetzt mal. También podría poner. Empuja la mesa hacia aquí. Ich habe nicht mehr gefunden. Empuja la mesa.
¡Qué bonita, señorita! Pipita!
Ja, ja.
Das sieht deutlich besser aus.
Sí.
Ah, ja.
Puede ser que alguien me va a regalar una claqueta. Entonces, quizás haga una claqueta ahí también. Except porque es muy pequeño, Y la gente ahí con sus objetivos gigantes. Bueno, por ahora, hasta que se me ocurren más cosas. Puedo dejar. Sí. I got this slate for my birthday. I was thinking of hanging it up there. So that it looks like, I don't know, maybe something like this. I think I did it way too low. No. It's not bad. Oh, it looks so cute. I like it. I like it. This is what it looks like so far. I just shot this entire video without sound, so that's great. So as you can see, it is done. But I think we can all agree that this looks way better than it did before. I'm very happy with the results. So thank you to my awesome sister Lily and her husband, mi cuñado Alejandro, for drilling those beautiful holes into my wall. No, honestly, they were great. They did give me a hand, and without them, I would probably still be, you know, hanging all these things up. And I think I have 2 left hands for that. And I think if you have 2 left hands, you're bad at this. Or are you good at this? I forgot. No, you're good at it. Damn it. I don't remember. It doesn't matter. So yes, this setup will stay like that. I'm still trying to figure out if I like filming it from this angle or if I should move the camera, because I don't really like that I'm covering this beautiful lamp, for example. But this room is small. It is my brother's room. He just recently started to do those TikTok live streams. So if you're into that, go check him out. His name is, I don't even know what his name is because he has like 10 million freaking accounts across TikTok and Instagram. And bro, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but you know that I cannot keep up with all those names. But I will find out what his name is of his most recent TikTok account. He moved to Malta, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned this. So he lives in Malta with my dad now. All these ads, man. Which is why I renovated this side of his room. I did keep his LED stripes. Oh my god, some of you guys would probably still remember this. Like I actually hung those up for him 3-4 years ago. Yeah.
Es ist nicht durchdacht.
But I did buy another set of LED stripes for this section right here. I did not touch anything else. But overall, this will be the setup whenever I talk to you guys, explain things, share things. Yes, just because this represents a little bit more of who I am and what I love doing,
Which is creating.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video, even if it might have not been that like organized. I hope I could still entertain some of y'all. That's it. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my life and moi. I'm kidding. Oh my god. Again. With that being said, thanks again. Take care, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.